double-sided tape, remote controls for your TV, optional, colored pens or markers to decorate, and a piece of cardboard that will fit all your remote controls. First, start by double-sided taping your remote controls down to the cardboard. Once you're done with that, take your colored markers or pens to decorate. Now just use your double-sided tape to tape your remote control set to the table. For this photo foam filter, you'll need some hard plastic from like an old strawberry container and a red marker. First, start by cutting out a piece of this with your scissors. Next, take your piece and your red marker and color the whole piece with your red marker. To use, take the filter and put it over your camera. Then, take a great photo using a photo filter that matches a red striped popcorn bag. For this DIY popcorn bag/box, you'll need an old cereal box, some paper, a red marker, and tape and/or double-sided tape. Start by taping all of your paper onto your cereal box. Color red stripes on your cereal box. Now you just have to enjoy your popcorn. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more DIYs on EllVid DIY.